get them all. Come with me, we'll never, never have to worry about grown-up things again.
Never is an awfully long time.
I'm building this house on the moon, like a lost astronaut, looking at you like a star from a place the world forgot. Nothing can breathe in the space colder than the darkest sea. I have dreams about the days driving through your sunset breeze. The brightness of the sun will give me just enough to bury my love in the moon dust. I long to hear your voice.
She had no idea how mesmerizing her brilliant mind was.